we're getting ready to pull the 7% grade on I-77 going north in just over the border in Virginia from North Carolina. We're going to see what kind of speeds we can hold without dropping to second gear. So you can see we're slowing down a little bit. Should probably hold like 50, 55 up the hill. For a 7% grade in third, you're not going to get much more than that. If you pop it in second, you could pull it at 80. But I don't really want to beat up on the motor. And it's an old truck with 193,000 miles, you know. To spend a couple more minutes up a hill, it really makes sense to do so. We're coming up on it now. This little downhill stretch will get some speed back. Yep, there it is. There's a sign for it, I believe. Welcome to Virginia. Speed limit. The speed limit may vary next 12 miles. Yeah, this is the pass. Okay. I just hit second gear. Oops. Well, you know, let's get back up to 70. And we'll, so we're in second gear. We'll get back up to speed and then we'll start. Because we were kind of coming into it slow. There we go. Alright, we're going to start off at 70 and see what we wind up at. I'm guessing 50, 55. We're going to be going pretty slow toward the top, but that's okay. Like I said, you know, no reason to beat the truck up too bad. You know, it's one big grade, and then I'll add a couple more in Pennsylvania and we'll slow down for them, but other than that, we'll pretty much hold the speed limit for most of the trip. This is about a 6,000 pound load behind the truck, but it's a camper, so it has the wind resistance and everything. If this were a car trailer, it would race right up the hill, no problem. The only thing I got to be careful of is I might wind up using second gear to get around some tractor trailers that are in the slow lane, depending on what my left lane looks like, because I will lose I'll lose a ton of speed, you know. So I'm actually in second gear, but we're at a low enough RPM that I'm comfortable with it. We'll just climb it at like 50, 55. I'm not trying to race up this hill. Be nice to my old truck. But I will show you real quick. I got a car next to me. You know, if I step on it, you can accelerate pretty quick. This is 7% grade, so I just lean my foot into it. I mean, you can see we're climbing pretty good speed-wise. So I could hold whatever speed I want. It's just a matter of trying to not beat up your vehicle, you know? It's a long, steep grade, and it's not even that I'll overheat anything, but it's just a matter of, it's kind of like just a matter of respect for the vehicle, I suppose. You know, it's really not working that hard. 3,500 RPM, 3,400 RPM, 56 miles an hour, give or take. Like, that's a good, just kind of safe speed. Beautiful views here, too. And guys, I know I'm taking a video while I'm towing a trailer, but there's very, very little traffic. I'm keeping an eye on my mirror. If there's any cars getting anywhere near me, I'm, you know, I'm kind of putting the focus back on the road. So don't worry about it from a safety perspective. If it were to get too trafficy, I'll just turn the camera off. Going down the hill, it'd be a little sketchier. So I'm probably about quarter throttle, honestly. Second gear. It's 4-speed transmission, so it's either second gear, you know, at these speeds, or you just run the RPMs up and run a faster speed. There's no other ratio that'll work. Third is way too tall for this, so it's just not going to help you out. Might be able to get it to go into third and show you that. Yeah, so this is third. Actually, we're holding decent in third. Better than I thought we would. I mean, I'm losing speed, but I could probably almost hold 50 in third. Well, let's see if we can. Wow, actually, I'm holding, yeah, I'm almost holding 50 in third. I'm probably losing, yeah, I'm losing speed a little bit. But to give the truck a little break, good enough. And then if I put it in second, I can obviously easily hold 50. I like 55. That's a good number for RPMs and just kind of stress on the vehicle. But like anything else, these LS motors, if you have good oil in them, you know, everything's running the way it should. I mean, they'll run at 6,000 RPM all day. You're not going to kill your motor too bad. But I just, you know, prefer to take it a little easier if I can. I slowed down a little bit there. I don't know if you saw those trucks on the side of the road. I'm going to get back in second and get around this guy. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. You get the idea.